A federal judge has upheld Florida's law prohibiting the sale of firearms to anyone under the age of 21. The ruling comes following a 3-year legal battle between the NRA and the state. As Jake Stofan tells us, family members of the victims of the Parkland shooting say they're thankful for the ruling.
Just about an hour after then-Governor Rick Scott signed the Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School Public Safety Act, which in part prohibited the sale of firearms to those under the age of 21, the NRA hit the state with a lawsuit.
I'm going to fight for this bill. I believe it does the right thing.
3 years later, a federal judge has now ruled the law can stand.
We're very happy that
Tony Montalto's daughter, Gina, was one of the 17 killed in the 2018 mass shooting.
we need to find a balance here in America between the rights of the individual to own a weapon and the rights of individuals to come home.
He says the age limit is one of many provisions in the law passed in the wake of the shooting that could have made a difference had it been in place that day.
He sadly was an unsupervised 18 to 20-year-old who was allowed to purchase this weapon, and he made a poor choice of what to do with it. And it cost the lives of my beautiful daughter, Gina, and 16 other wonderful souls.
The judge did note some hang-ups with the law, including the fact 18 to 20-year-olds can still obtain a firearm through a family member, but for those without family, the law acts as a blanket ban. The NRA's Marion Hammer provided us with a statement saying the NRA is considering its options and noted the organization has until July 26th to decide whether to appeal the ruling. Reporting from the state capitol, Jake Stofan, Channel 4, the local station.
Florida is one of just 4 states that bans the sale of firearms to those under 21.